This is the well-fed condition. This is the fasting condition. The context changes. This is receptor, insulin receptor. This is glucagon receptor, serpentine receptor, and this is insulin receptor. You will study about this receptor in coming endocrine. That is why I'm telling you, so that it will be easy for you to go through this receptor. And this CAMP, low CAMP, phospholipid, you all know this. So these are the pathway. You can see glycogen synthesis, active in fed condition. Glycolysis, active in fed condition. And glycolysis is basically downhill reaction only. It is the only downhill reaction, means exergonic process of fed condition. Okay, so you can see release of energy here, and then because of glycolysis only, citrate will go and it will produce acetyl coenzyme here and fatty acid synthesis here, you can see. And if there is a problem in anywhere here, you can see production of lactate, or if glycolysis is very fast, production of lactate. These all process you can see in fed condition. In fasting condition, on the other hand, here you can see the synthesis of lipid and glycogen, here breakdown of lipid and protein. So you can see protein is breakdown, and then because fasting for breakdown, this is for synthesis. You can see only breakdown here is glucose. Everything is synthesized here. But here only synthesis is glucose. Everything is breaking down here. So breaking down reaction, catabolism this fasting is predominant, correlates with catabolism. That is what you have to understand. So see, you can group many things into two. This is for anabolism. And now you can see catabolism. So triglyceride catabolized to fatty acid and glycerol 3-phosphate. And you can see glycerol 3-phosphate can convert into glucose. And fat. And this is energy from this fat actually supply energy. Fat supply energy for this uphill reaction. Fatty acid supply this energy for uphill reaction. And other fuel for glucose synthesis come from this protein degradation. You can see many amino acids joining this as intermediate. I have already done this amino acid joining as intermediate. Now ketone body will also be formed in prolonged fasting condition. So this picture I have given here to provide a context, okay, to group everything together, all the pathway together, so that you will understand all the pathway together. And yet it will be very simple. That is why I have drawn this picture myself.